Every Oreo cookie begins with a simple idea: bring together chocolate and cream in perfect balance. Recognized around the world, Oreo has become one of America's most iconic cookies. But before it reaches your kitchen table, each one goes through a carefully controlled process inside modern U.S. manufacturing facilities built for precision and food safety. The journey starts with high-quality ingredients. Premium wheat flour forms the foundation of the chocolate wafers. Rich cocoa powder gives Oreo its deep color and bold flavor. Refined sugar adds the perfect level of sweetness. Each ingredient is measured with exact precision to ensure every batch tastes the same. Before mixing begins, samples are tested to meet strict safety and quality standards. Once approved, the dry ingredients are blended together. Slow, controlled mixing transforms them into smooth chocolate dough. The texture must be firm, even, and consistent. Trained staff monitor the process closely to maintain uniform quality. The dough is rolled into thin sheets at an exact thickness. Each sheet is then stamped with the signature Oreo design, a detail recognized across generations. The shaped wafers move into high-temperature ovens, where carefully controlled heat bakes them evenly. Precise timing creates the crisp texture Oreo is known for. As the wafers emerge with their rich chocolate color, they cool gradually, preparing for the final step that makes every Oreo complete: the iconic cream filling. In the end, an Oreo is more than just a cookie. It's a simple combination of chocolate and cream, carefully crafted, precisely measured, and consistently made. For generations, families have shared the same familiar ritual. Twist it open, taste the cream, dunk it in milk, enjoy it together. But behind that simple moment is a carefully controlled process. From premium wheat flour and rich cocoa, to precise baking and perfectly balanced filling, every step is monitored for quality and safety. Inside modern American facilities, trained teams work to ensure that every cookie looks the same, tastes the same, and meets strict standards. Millions are made each day, yet each one follows the same process of inspection, preparation, baking, cooling, and assembly. Consistency is not accidental. It's engineered through careful measurement, clean production environments, and attention to detail at every stage. Advanced quality checks help maintain the texture, flavor, and appearance customers expect. Strict food safety protocols ensure every batch meets national manufacturing standards. From the factory floor to store shelves, traceability systems track each production run with precision. Every package represents a commitment